In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Discord desktop app. By the end, you'll have the app installed on your Windows computer and ready to go, with zero confusion. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Discord and press Enter. Look for the official result from discord.com. It should clearly show the Discord logo and the secure lock icon in the address bar. Clicking the official site matters because it ensures you're downloading a safe, up-to-date installer and not a third-party file that could cause issues. Once you're on the Discord website, you'll see a prominent option to download the app. Click Download for Windows. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a moment. Sometimes the site prepares the installer in the background. Your browser will either show a prompt asking where to save the file, or it will place it automatically in your Downloads folder. The file is typically named Discord Setup.exe. Keep an eye on the download's progress in your browser. It's usually quick, but it can take longer on slower connections. If your browser asks for permission to keep or open the file, go ahead and confirm. When the download finishes, open the installer. The easiest way is to click the file directly from your browser's download bar. If you don't see it there, open your Downloads folder and double-click Discord Setup.exe. Windows may show a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Choose Yes. This is standard for trusted installers and allows Discord to set itself up properly. Now follow the on-screen prompts. The Discord installer is simple. It will extract the necessary files, check for updates, and complete the installation automatically. During this process, you might see a progress bar and a short updating screen. Just let it run. Don't close the window or shut down your computer while it's working. In most cases, you won't need to change any settings. The default options are suitable for the vast majority of users. If you're prompted to choose an installation location or create shortcuts, sticking with the recommended choices keeps things straightforward. When setup wraps up, Discord typically launches on its own. That's your confirmation that everything went smoothly. If it doesn't open automatically, it's already installed and ready. Look for the Discord icon on your desktop or in your Start menu whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Discord in Google, clicked Download for Windows, opened the installer, and followed the prompts to finish the job. Enjoy your new Discord desktop app.